Hey, to turn on Hey Google on the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, first of all, you will have to go into the Google Play Store and you have to be sure that you have the latest version of the Google application. There we go. Yeah, this is the application that we have to get the latest version. And also be sure that you have the latest version of Google Assistant. Not Authenticator, just Assistant. Yeah, this one. And now, if you are fine, you will have to go into the Google application, then click on the right upper corner, and then click on settings icon. Right now, you will have to go into the Google Assistant, then select Hey Google and the voice match, and then tap on the switcher to turn on the Hey Google. So now scroll all the way down, click I agree, and now we have to activate the voice match for Hey Google. So we have to set up the Hey Google. We have to repeat some phrases a few times until this circle will go like this with this animation. So we have to click here, tap I agree, Hey Google, Hey Google, Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Okay, as you can see, something is not working, so I will actually try to do this one more time. Not sure what is the reason. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. 111. 111. Okay, looks like that it doesn't actually detect my microphone, so we can try to go into the settings and be sure that we actually grant access for the microphone permission. So go here, find the Google application. It's right here. Go into the permission. There's the microphone. Okay, and as you can see, it's actually enabled, so we can try to do this also with a Google Assistant. Yeah, but it's not here, so let's try to turn it on. Hey Google. Hey Google. Okay, as you can see, the assistant is actually working, so I'm not sure what is the issue here.